Hello everyone and welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So today I'm at a local farm in my community helping out. I want to just promote this farm. It's called ABSHIRE Acres. It's located in Folsom and it's amazing. So they integrate livestock, homeschooling, worms, compost. So they're kind of on the cutting edge of going towards that organic, regenerative, sustainable type of small farm that we're seeing just pop off across America and the whole world as we batten down and face the fact we can't depend on anybody but ourselves for our food. So I'm fixing to show you guys real quick with Misty's kids how to cover your soil to help retain moisture, soften your soil, and help with the weeds.
My name's Samantha and I'm making a worm bin, which I just did some castings.
Yeah, she just ran her first castings.
We are fixing my new bed with peat moss right there, and then we just got like these cardboard and like poop, rabbit poop.
That's right, rabbit poop's the best, huh?
And they cannot have like onions or like citrusy, like onions or lemons or limes.
Or garlic or onion, huh?
Yeah. Well, can't they have bell peppers, I think?
They can have some bell peppers, just not the seeds. So they're eating all the black soldier fly larvae. That's what they're looking for. And the little bugs. Castings.
So these are my castings that we just ran through this thing, which you just handle this, and you push the stuff in, and you just do that, and you put buckets under, and this is where all the worms and the poop that's not really like mushy for them, and then you just roll it like this.
That's perfect. And show them what came out.
Well, this is like, it feels so soft and see?
Yeah. So what can you use worm castings for?
You use them for a garden, which we have a garden. So this is our garden. We just got some of the hay and the poop, and this is our garden.
It's beautiful. And your mom just came out. You can see it. She put some worm castings in here.
And she put some of our worm castings in here. And this is like our onion chives and our I think lettuce, I think. And that's lettuce too.
It's beautiful. Thank you for sharing with everybody. Would you encourage people to build a business using worm castings?
Yes, because it helps with your business, and you could sell the worm castings for like $20, and it helps with your garden. See, helps.
Yeah, so you're a young entrepreneur, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much for letting Starkey Farmstead come out here to ABSHIRE Acres
You're welcome.
and help you today.
You're welcome.
You ready to go set your bins up, put your new worms in? Let's go do it, girl. So Sam bought herself some new worms because we didn't run the worm castings in time. Yeah, and all the worms went away, so she bought her some new worms.
So bad.
You can touch them. Go ahead. It won't hurt them.
Never mind, Seth, I got it, buddy.
Don't be afraid, my love. They're not going to hurt you.
Can we just feel one?
Sure.
Are they slimy?
No, not at all.
I'm so scared. They feel like snakes to me.
Oh, no. They're so much littler.
Oh, they feel so like I touched them now.
So tell the world what you're doing today, Seth. What you doing right now?
Trying to whip whipping bots for the worms, for my sister's worms.
Yeah, and we're going to take them outside in the garden. So remind everybody, what do you have to take off those boxes?
Tape.
Yes, take the tape off the boxes, guys. So this is Sam, like me. She's Sam I Am, and she's going to show you guys how she's going to lay these boxes out. Now, where you see the grass really high here, guys, where it needs to be weed eated, you're just going to have to weed eat that and then fill it in with the cardboard. But for now, we can go ahead and start putting this cardboard down. Now, what they're going to put on top to keep the cardboard from flying back up is going to be grass clippings, hay, rotted horse manure, and compost, and that will weigh down the cardboard because what we're doing is we are prepping for their spring garden. Now we're moving into fall in 2023, but you got to get ahead of the game sometimes, and you have to prepare for the spring before it gets here. So by the time these guys are ready to plant in this area, they will basically have very amended soil with very few weeds. Look at the triplets. Oh.
Mine, it's a lemon rosemary cleaner, which it has lemon and rosemary, and you have to shake it up every day like this, or you can do that, or up and down. And it's just like a cleaner.
Oh, it has vinegar in it?
Yes, sir.
Wow, and you use that to clean, so it's a sustainable organic cleaner.
You can just like use like a rag or a paper, well not a paper towel, but a rag, and you just dip it in there if you wanted to, or you can put it in a spray bottle.
I love it, I love it. What's this one, Sam? What's this one?
So this one's a orange, I think lavender one, and you shake it up like I told you this one. And it's just a bigger bottle, so it has more. And what I told you before, you can do spray bottle, or you can just do a wipe.
Awesome. Why is it in the window? Do you know?
It'll be ready in 2 weeks.
Oh, so the
Shake it up. It has to. Yep. It'll be ready.
so the sun helps it, huh?
Yes, Sam.
I love it. And this is your schoolroom, huh? For all you moms that have been asking me about homeschooling, this is why you homeschool and farm at the same time, guys. It is literally the best of both worlds.
And we have this pineapple basil one.
I love that.
Just shake it up, and it is a cleaner.
It's a cleaner. It's amazing.
But
Thank
we
you.
made My brother is right here, and our friend that comes to school and does homeschool with us she has one too.
I love
And
it.
you just shake them up, and then this is our flowers that we dry. And smell these. They're roses.
Wow, that's
And these are the
amazing.
different flowers that we have. And these are microgreens right here. and
I
these are
saw your microgreens.
Well, Mom already ate some, but you can put them pretty much on everything. You can put them on tacos. You can put them on salad. I tried it on a burger before, and it's really good.
Wow, thank you for sharing. What you got for me?
This is all the dehydrated flowers and all that stuff. It's mixed with dehydrated flowers and lemongrass.
Wow, what do you use that for? Like a potpourri?
No, we use it for bath salts.
To soak in the bathtub. Wow, healing your body. I love that. I love it. Smell it. Open it. I want to smell. You know me, I'm nosy. I want to smell. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's nice. She's sitting
What we're
there.
doing here is we keep all our dehydrated things, and what we do is we take them off, and we get a glass straw, like say this, and then we crunch them off like that, and we put it in here, and then we wait until we need them, like winter, and then we can just put water on it, and then it rehydrates.
Wow. So, and you can cook with it too, right? So you
And
can
this
make
is one
salads.
that we just made.
Wow. You guys, y'all are so high tech and yet you're so
I think
young.
it's oregano.
Oh my gosh, smells amazing. I used to grow that. I grew that last year. I need to put that back in my garden. I forgot how good that smells. Lots of medicinal uses.
Yep.